RapidClean has over 50 independently owned stores throughout Australia and New Zealand. At RapidClean, we provide our customers with the support of a national organisation while providing a local service. We are the one-stop shop for all your cleaning, packaging, catering and safety product needs. Our stores stock all the major brands of industrial, commercial and environmentally friendly products. All RapidClean stores have qualified cleaning supply experts who pride themselves on delivering the best cleaning products and honest advice at a cost-effective price. RapidClean offer a national account service for our customers with multiple delivery points. This service includes a centralised account, a single national point of contact, improved supply chain management and processes tailored to your specific business needs. The RapidClean website is a great online resource featuring our full range of products and support materials, contact details and locations of all our RapidClean stores, online training courses, newsletters and full product catalogues. We call it the Rapid Way. You will call it a better way to do business.